Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today a special episode because I have Shein home finds. I don't know if you guys know about this, but I've been hinting at the fact that I bought a rental. This is where I am today. As you can see, it's not like my regular house, and I am fixing it, updating it, refurbishing it. I'm adding furniture and I'm gonna make it look beautiful so that the next renter is going to love it. So Shein, with their home finds, they're helping me decorate and make this place so much better. So today, all the goodies that I got from Shein to make this place better. But before I get started, I want to let you know the video where I am showing what I am renovating and how I am doing it is going to be on my other channel, Carla's Live, in a couple of weeks from the moment this video goes live. So check out my other channel, go ahead and subscribe and join me on this journey to renovate an apartment. It's like Carla AGTV at this point. Okay, enough yapping. Let me show you what I got. Okay, first thing in the showcase today is this beautiful rounded gold circle. You guys, it comes in a set of 3. This is the second one, and I have a third one that's going to go in another location. But I wanted to show you something that's super simple. What I have been doing, I'll show you because this one's ready to go. This one you can actually like nail it, right? Or you can add those sticky things that you grab at any Lowe's, any hardware store, and you can add them. So right here, let me show you what I'm doing. I'm going to add a second one a little bit higher, but around here, just to give this empty wall a little bit of oomph, okay? I'm going with a gold, teal, black theme. So let me show you what I'm thinking about. Hopefully you can see it. So this one's gonna go about there. Ta-da! Does they look pretty? Let me show you the third one. This third one is going up here. I will show you guys in the other video on my other channel how it turned out. A couple additional pieces right here. So I got these beautiful table mats, if you will, or decor. I like them because they're gold and it gives it something a little interesting. As you can see, I'm trying to bring up the gold, making this a little classier. So I really think these look great. They come in a set of 4 and they're all the same. So I have them set up all in the kitchen island. And I also got this beautiful vase. You guys, this is actually plastic. It's legit awesome. It doesn't weigh anything. I added the pom-pom flowers also from Shein. And look, doesn't it make this place super classy? I hate to say it, but this is looking better than my house, and that's upsetting. More to show you. Let's go. This is cool. It is a bathroom sign. I thought it looked cute. I mean, I don't think it's anything super special, but it was just a few bucks. And look, it makes this little area right before you enter the bathroom really warm and welcoming with just like a cute sign. So must have. I kind of love it. I wish I had it in my house. Okay, plain wall, right? Made of construction stone. It is what it is. But check this out, guys. I got a roll of gold strip tape. Yes, check it out. See, it's sticky, but it's metal. It's so sturdy. Do you see that? So the plan is to, let me show you. We're gonna put this kind of darker wallpaper to really just bring this green down. And in the seams of the wallpaper, or potentially in the imperfections, I'm going to add some of this to make it look super insane. This is gonna look amazing. And I can see so many things happening with it. We can do lines as separators, or I can actually do rectangles or squares as if they were frames on the wall. I'm telling you, this is gonna look amazing. So you're gonna have to check out my other channel to see how it turned out. A frame, everybody needs one, especially if you have a long-term or short-term rental. What I like to use the frames for is to put your Wi-Fi information, maybe some numbers, emergency numbers that they might need, especially if they're new to the town. So I like to leave a frame with that. Otherwise, you can use it as decor and put it in a wall or whatever. Simple, classic. More to show you. Let's get to it. Okay, so I also got this insane tray. It's super fancy. Here's how I see this working. I don't have a coffee table yet, but when I do, this is going to be the centerpiece of the coffee table. And what I would set it up as is I would add my 2 coffee mugs, put them in, and it's kind of like a perfect tray to carry from the kitchen to the living room without, having to spill anything. So I think something like this would make for a perfect centerpiece and also for a functional item. So in studios and small spaces, you might want your decor to have a double function. So keep that in mind. All from Shein, links in the description. More to show you because I'm not done. Let's go. Okay, Harry Potter fans, you may have seen this in another of my videos, but I decided to get these as well for the rental. These are magnets and they're Harry Potter themed. So we have the sorting hat and the Quidditch ball. I think they're cute. Again, gold matches the theme of my place. I think they look fancy. This is the refrigerator. What do you think? Do we love them? In the bathroom, I have something to show you. So I got this real cool, man of cool, but it is something. We got this acrylic trash can. I kind of love it because it goes with any colors. It's easy to transport. You can move from the bathroom to a desk area, whatever you need. I decided to put it in here for now, but it can go next to the toilet if that's what you prefer. Very simple, very cool. It actually fits anywhere. So that's what I'm storing it for now until the place is completed. But I have a couple more things to show you. Glad you stuck around because now we're gonna make the bed. As I told you, this is a studio, right? So the bed is a Murphy bed and it lives in here. So we're gonna make it together. But this is what I got from Shein, which is pretty awesome. I got 3 sets of bedding. I'm going to make the bed here with the flowered ones. These are the same, but I got 2 because again, rental, you kind of need those things. And then I got a set that's kind of like a gold to go with the theme of the place. It's a satin sheet. So I'm going to show you them, but I'm going to make the bed with this one. Let's see how it looks. Here are the satin sheets, see? Soft and silky. But because I'm not gonna put those on right now, I'm going to leave them in the bag. So when the renters want to change their sheets, they have an extra set. I'm going to open the other ones to show them. First of all, we have the mattress cover, also from Shein. It looks really nice. It makes it look super clean. Now we're gonna make the bed. A little construction zone, but you can see how cute the bed looks. Look at the quality on these sheets. It's so nice. It's a really soft. Love the design. I actually told you I have 2 of them the same way. I really hope you enjoyed today's review and a little bit of behind the scenes of my project that I'm working on. I'm laying in the bed. It looks really nice. So if you like any of these items, you should check out my friends at Shein. The link's in the description of this video. Also use my code to save some money. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots with a lot of the items that I try on here, as well as amazing perks. Don't forget to check out my other 2 channels, Carla Rates and Carla's Life. That is where you're going to see the video of my renovation. So go ahead, subscribe right away, and I will see you guys soon in another one. I really hope you're having an amazing day.